Hello friends, welcome to Rintu's channel. Today I am presenting red velvet cake with white chocolate. There I did not use any whipped cream. You can see the red velvet chocolate. This is a broken heart shape. I just garnish with this chocolate above the red velvet cake. And believe me, it is very yummy by taste because when the combination of cake and chocolates mixed, it and melts at your mouth, it gives you a very yummy taste. So it is very simple, you can easily use at your home. Look wise you can see how pretty it is, how lovely it is. Now I am showing you how soft and fluffy the cake is. It is easily manageable to cut by knife. I can show you. At each bite you can take the taste of cake and chocolate both. This is a very favorite for younger to elder, all of your members. Here I am just grated white chocolate at the middle of this cake, which will enhance the look and also enhance the taste. So I think you will like my preparation. If you like, then please give a thumbs up, and if you are new user, then please subscribe my channel. And please comment me if you have any query or any question to me. Yeah, I am just showing you another picture where I did not use any grated chocolate. I have just only used the heart-shaped chocolate and garnishing with this heart-shaped chocolate. You can actually design at your own choice. There is no foundation. Okay friends, so let's make the cake. First we will show you how you can make this white chocolate. So here I am taking a mixer jar, a bowl. This is a sugar which I have already mixed at this mixer jar because I need the powder sugar. And this is a red velvet color actually, which will give you the red color of your cake. And this is a vanilla essence. This is a virgin coconut oil. Actually we will prepare white chocolate, so for this we will use this virgin coconut oil. You can use butter also, but not use salty butter. So now I am showing you this. This is the mold of this heart-shaped chocolate. Actually, I have prepared the red velvet cake at heart shape, so that's why I am using this heart-shaped chocolate mold. You can use any shape, anything which you have available. So now first we will sieve the powdered sugar at the bowl. You need to sieve 1 cup of powdered sugar. You need to sieve because that's if you sieve it, then it will easily melt. Now you will take a pot, taking little water on this. Actually we will make this chocolate with double boiler method. Now I am mixing this powder sugar, 1 cup powder sugar with 1 cup virgin coconut oil. Mix it properly so that all the sugar dust will melt at this with the oil. Now we will heat it. Yeah, you can see it. I did not directly heat this oil and sugar mixture. I have used a small pan to boil, and that water is boiling. So friends, now we can see that this sugar and oil is almost mixed together. You can lower the flame, otherwise the water will be overflow from this small pan. Okay, now I will add milk powder. As I am going to make a white chocolate, so I will use milk powder here, no cocoa powder. I have mixed a little bit virgin coconut oil because it will need. You can also check if you need extra or not, because it will depend. Now gradually we will add 1/2 cup of milk powder with it and make a smooth batter. Well, our smooth batter is ready almost. Our chocolate batter is ready. Now I will use this chocolate mold. Now I will use a small spoon and pour the batter at this chocolate mold. So one by one you can fill this shape of this mold. Now we will put it at the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now I am taking the cake mold. Here I am taking the heart shaped cake mold. First I will oil brush here properly. Today I will show you can bake this cake at the micro oven. If you bake the cake at the micro oven, you don't need any butter, paper or anything. Just simply oil grease the cake mold. Our cake mold is ready. Now here I am taking a bowl. Now we will make a batter of our red velvet cake. So I am taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour and sieve it properly. This is 1/4 cup of milk powder. Half cup of powdered sugar, two spoons of cocoa powder. After that we will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. After this we will add 1/4 cup of refined oil and milk. gradually to make a smooth batter. Well, our smooth batter is almost ready. I will add little bit milk also. Now I will add red velvet color, 2 to 3 drops. Look how red color it is showing. It's really a nice texture. Now we will pour it at the cake mold and we will tap it. Now we will place it at the microwave. So at the microwave I am giving it for preheat. At the convection button you can make it for preheat. Now I am placing this small stand and this my cake mold, and I will simply just start it. It will automatically start, and you can see your cake will be ready within 25 to 35 minutes. Now I am showing you it is easily demold from my cake mold, and you can see how fluffy and how soft my red velvet cake is. I have just cut it the fluffy portion from this upper portion from this cake. Now here I am showing you I have just simple decoration. I just put this heart shaped chocolate one by one, making a love shape, and red white chocolate in the middle of this cake so that it will look good. Believe me, it is very yummy by taste also. So please like my video if you like it.